How to set up the parental controls on Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to set up the parental controls on Roblox, first of all log in into your Roblox account. For this, you have to make sure you have the latest version installed. Once that is done, you have to log in using the credentials of the account that you want to set up the parental controls for. After that, you have to click on the gear icon or you can tap on the more icon which is on the bottom right. From there, you have to select on the settings option. Once that is done, click on parental controls. Once you tap on it, first of all, you will have to set up the pin. This pin will be required to make any changes to parental controls. So enter your desired pin and confirm it by re-entering. Then click on the add button and your parental pin has been set up. Next up, you will have to verify your account once. For this, one-time code will be sent to your email address. You will just have to wait for it and then enter the correct one. Now that you have enabled the one-time verification, next step is enabling the account restrictions. For this, you will need to enter the PIN to confirm any action. By this, you can now access the content appropriate for all audiences or select it as per your wish. After enabling the parental controls, you should see a padlock icon indicating that the account is under parental control. Lock and secure the settings and then you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.